In this video, I will share to you how to solve word problems, okay, particularly on age problem. Okay. In all word problems, the most important thing that you have to do is to just read the problem. Try to comprehend the given and what is being asked in the problem. So, to be able to solve a word problem, okay, you have to translate the English sentence into an algebraic expression or algebraic equation. Okay, so in our example, okay, in the first sentence, Joey is 36 years older than Fred. My first question is, who is the youngest? Okay, yes, it is Fred. Okay, this is their age now, at present. So, age at present. Okay, okay, because we don't know yet the age of Fred, let us use letter X as his age. So let X be the age of Fred. Okay? And looking back to the first sentence, Joey is 36 years older than Fred. Okay? If therefore, if X is the age of Fred, Joey is 36 years older. Okay? If you are 1 years old, therefore, your father or the other person should be 37. Something like that. So, this will be Fred's age plus 36. And this is be the age of Joey. Okay. So that's it. We have now the age of Fred and we have the age of Joey. Now, let us proceed to the next sentence. 5 years ago, no, 5 years from now. Okay, what will happen? 5 years from now, Joey will be 4 times as old as Fred. Okay, but before going to these uh, words, let us first identify their ages 5 years from now. So, okay, if the present age of Fred is X, therefore, 5 years from now, he will be X plus 5. Okay, will be the age of Fred. And if the age of Joey now is X plus 36, therefore we have to add another 5 years for that age because the given is after 5 years. Okay, so the age of Joey will be X plus 36 and then plus 5 or or X plus 41. X plus 41. This is now the age uh, of Joey 5 years from now. Okay, age of Joey after 5 years. Okay. Okay. So once you have the two algebraic expressions, remember this. Do not make an equation out of from the present age. Make an equation for the future or from the past. If there is a given that there is uh, uh, were given 5 years ago, and like for example, in our example, it is 5 years from now, you are going to make an equation to the future or to the past, not to the present. Okay, so therefore, we will use these two algebraic expression to make an equation. So, this is the age of Fred, and this is the age of Joey. We will make an equation. But this is wrong. We have to make it correct by supplying another words that is present in our problem. Okay, the problem stated that 5 years from now, Joey will be 4 times. Okay, 4 times. Meaning, from these two, we have to multiply by 4 the either of the two expression. But practically, who is younger? Fred. Who is older? Joey. And therefore, practically, we have to multiply this by 4 to make the equation correct. Okay, so if we will multiply this by 4, the equation now is correct. And once you have the equation, you can be able to solve the ages of the two persons in the problem. So let us simplify the equation. So that will be 4x plus 20 equals x plus 41. Okay. Let us eliminate positive 20. Okay. So that will be 4x equals x plus 21. Let us eliminate x or transpose to another side. Okay, so that will be minus x. So that will be 3x equals 21. Okay, we can cancel the coefficient by multiplying both sides by 3. Therefore, x equals 7. And whose age is x? There. X is the age of Fred. Therefore, we have now the age of Fred. And that is 7. Okay. And we can also find the age of Joey by substituting the x plus 36 is the value of x is 7. 7 plus 36 equals 43. Okay, therefore, uh, Joey is 43 years old now. Okay, 43 years old. This is Fred. This is Joey. Okay, let us check if it is true. If Fred is 7 years old now, and and uh, Joey is 43 years old now. 5 years from now, Joey will be 12, and no. Fred will be 12, and Joey will be 48. Okay, is it 4 times? Is the age of Fred 4 times the age of Joey? Yes, because if we will multiply this by 4, that is 48 equals 48. That's it. It is so simple to solve word problem. Okay, thank you very much.